In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly repair your IP connection. Your internet connection. Comcast or Verizon, whoever your ISP is, could have a problem on their servers, and when you call them, it could take forever just to get to the customer service. So you can use command prompt. I'm not going to, you know how to open command prompt. And some people may need to open it as administrator, so they'll know. So what you're going to do is ipconfig, which will show you /all, ipconfig/all, which will show you the current status of your network. This is telling me that basically there's some stuff disconnected, but there's some stuff that isn't disconnected, and it's telling me my actual physical address. Now that's 0000. That's not my physical address on my main physical address. That's just because I'm virtualizing. Tells you IP numbers, tells you basically the status of your network. I'm going to show you another command before I actually show you how to actually repair. Ping, which tests your computer for connectivity, I believe latency, so that and you want to use your loopback address. So I'm going to ping 172.0.0.1, and it's going to show you. Could not find. I typed that in wrong. It's ping 172.0.0.1. I'm so used to using a numeric keypad, and I guess it checked to see if you're connected to that server. And of course, it won't let me do this one, just because this address really doesn't work on my network. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to repair your network now. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to hit Control-C so I can stop that process. So how do you quickly repair your network? It could just be a small IP address problem. So you're going to do ipconfig/release. ipconfig/release. And the IP address. Now you are no longer connected to the network. You want to get back connected to the network, basically connected to the server. You want to do ipconfig ipconfig/renew, and it'll configure your IP and give you a new IP. Now most likely you won't have a new IP, it'll just reassign you the same IP address, but that can fix minor problems with your internet connection, especially if you're a new member Comcast or Verizon. When you first get the internet with them, it might not work properly, especially if you haven't had internet in your house before. You might want to you might want to do that a couple of times, and when you do that, it should definitely work. So if you have any questions on this small tutorial, just drop me something in the comment box or the inbox, and I will be sure to get back to your questions or comments.